only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 2 wedding decor DIY projects. I want to start a wedding series, guys, and share inexpensive ideas with you. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I had 2 of these square candle holders that I thought would make a perfect table centerpiece for a wedding. They currently have these at Kmart Australia, but I thought they needed a little bit of a glam touch. So I took this dollar store bling wrap and I added it around the candle holder. I covered all 3 sides with this beautiful bling wrap. I absolutely love this bling wrap at the moment, guys. It is so sparkly and glam and perfect for that glam wedding. To give my little candle holder some extra bling, I decided to add this Spotlight Australia brooch to the front. Off camera, I hot glued it to the middle of the top. Now, to make a table centerpiece with this candle holder, I decided to use one of my wedding shoes, which was very sparkly and glam, and I added it inside. And to highlight the sparkle in my high heel shoe, I used some dollar store fairy lights. And here is my first table centerpiece. Guys, I'm so happy with how this came. Guys, your wedding day decor shouldn't have to cost a fortune. Here's an inexpensive way of making a small statement for your table centerpiece. And I'm going to show you a different way to style this as well, so I can give you different options for that special day. These inexpensive candle holders currently retail for around $8 at Kmart Australia. You could take something so simple and add some extra bling to give a complete inexpensive idea for your wedding project. Now, I also had a smaller version of that candle holder. So again, repeating the same steps as the last, I added the bling wrap to it. Once that was complete, I then added another one of those spotlight brooches to the top middle. Taking some of this self-adhesive black felt, I traced it to size because I wanted to make a little backdrop for my candle holder. So I traced it and cut it out and then positioned it in the back. Once it was all in place, I then took this black candle that is also from Kmart, and I wanted to use this as something to hold my pieces on. So I turned it upside down and placed it in the centre. I then took this adorable little cake topper that I picked up from Big W and I added it inside. I then took this adorable dollar store tiara and I also added it to my display. Now you'll notice here in the next clip that I actually changed this around. I just felt that the tiara looked better on top of the candle. I've also shown here in the second DIY a new way to display. I've took away the high heel shoe and displayed some glam jewellery.
Now and then, someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain.
I absolutely love how these came, guys. I love everything sparkly and glam, and if I had my time over again to get remarried, I would 100% have such a glam wedding. Here is a typical example of something that I would showcase on my table centerpiece, maybe at the entranceway as guests arrive at my reception. There are so many options for you to do here with these simple candle holders, and I'm loving sharing these with you.
You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say
I then moved on to my next DIY project. Now, it's becoming a trend at weddings to have a fake cake. To have a real cake, which will be cut up and served to guests, but then have a major cake for those photo props. Here I'm going to show you by taking two simple cardboard boxes and some marble contact paper, I'm going to create a beautiful fake wedding cake.
and me, you and me.
I started by taking the smaller of the boxes and I cut the marble contact paper to size.
You and me together.
Starting from the middle, I put the contact paper on the smaller box and I smoothed out everything with my hands.
We could go crazy and leave it all behind. Glorious, glorious.
Once it was complete, I then took the top lid of the box and I traced it out onto the contact paper and added it to the top as well. While I was doing this project, I took the larger box outside and I spray painted it black. Once it was dry, I then took my eBay Australia foam flowers, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is cover the entire box in white foam flowers.
It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, glorious.
This is going to be the bottom of our cake, so the foam flowers will give the illusion of beautiful curly frosting on your fake cake. You're just going to continue around filling in the gaps until you've got a beautiful amount of white flowers. You're then going to glue the marble box to the middle of the larger box. continue to add more white flowers around the black part of the cake.
Back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired.
You want to glue the flowers nice and close together. That way you'll get a beautiful full effect.
I'll get over you. Only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though
Once that was complete, you're then going to take some of that beautiful bling wrap again and wrap it around the top of the marble box.
I'll get over you.
I then took another one of those spotlight brooches and I hot glued that to the middle of the marble box.
We were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned.
I then took the smaller candle holder and used that as my cake topper.
We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
I don't know what it is, guys, but I have wedding fever. I don't know whether it was the fact that I just celebrated my 20-year anniversary, but I absolutely love sharing wedding ideas with you. I'm so excited for people that are getting married. I want to decorate their whole wedding for them because it's just such a beautiful and special day, and so it should be. And here is an inexpensive way for you to have something glam and beautiful at your wedding, but it doesn't have to break the budget.
Know how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
This simple cake, guys, was made out of cardboard boxes. All up, it probably cost me less than $20. And I love how it can make a beautiful photo prop and statement on your special day.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them.
You could take ideas from this DIY. It doesn't have to be for a wedding. This would make a beautiful statement at a sweet 16th, a 21st, even an engagement party. The possibilities are endless with these DIYs, guys, and there are so many things that you can take from these ideas. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see me do more wedding DIY decor. I truly love being inspired by these types of videos, guys, so I hope you're enjoying them too. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next.
But oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but
thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY wedding decor.
To something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problem.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.